8:15 Wednesday morning, February 10th, and the snow is coming down heavy in Towson. We've picked up and dropped off, taken home over 300 people using volunteers from the community and staff to drive four-wheel drive vehicles.
Here we go with Gator Cam. GBMC Gator Cam. Was it 820? February 10th, 820. Third blizzard of the year. Normally the state of Maryland averages 28 inches of snow. This year we're well over 65 and counting.
And here's Physicians Pavilion North. Whiteout conditions.
Taking some new photos today on Gator Cam, just to introduce you to the rest of our campus. Traditionally we just do the Charles Street entrance. Today we're going to go to a couple of the other buildings on campus.
And in the background is Shepherd Pratt, which is where we all might end up after this event.
Soul who drove in today. And that person's not leaving for another 2 or 3 days once we plow them in. Charles Street, historic gatehouse between Shepherd Pratt and GBMC.
There's the gatehouse in the snow. Here's Physicians Pavilion East on about 8:30 on Wednesday morning. Park.
Couple new venues to show everybody today.
And here's a Sherwood bus loop with no buses running. And there are crews hard at work there in the GBMC campus. Stopped snowing in Baltimore, and it feels like a year. Here's Physicians Pavilion West. A snowy Physicians Pavilion West. Snowy season. I think La Petite in French means it's a lot of snow.
I think so.
I'm pretty sure that's what La Petite means. Gator Cam who are religiously coming back, you can see that it's getting worse.
Free parking today at GBMC.
That's right. Free parking. If you can make it here, we'll park you for free. Baltimore on the GBMC campus, better known as MIB. And they've decided to close for the day. Don't believe they'll have any patients today.
To my nephew Ryan down in Orlando, supposed to be flying up Friday if he gets out of town there. We are now showing the mounds of snow in the beautiful surface parking lot on Farmhouse Hill. Look at this accumulation of snow. This is just from Saturday and Sunday, and we're packing it up, trying to find some space for this new snow. So we're going to do a little U-turn here, get out.
Mounds are quite big.
Everybody watching on YouTube, continue. We'll have updates every couple hours.
Gator Cam updates from GBMC.
Another huge mound.
I think that's a bus shelter over there, but I'm not sure.
I think it's an igloo, yeah.
Yeah, that's the GBMC igloo.
Actually, you know what? I think we'll be starting to sleep put some cots in those igloos. We're right out of place for everybody else to sleep in the hospital.
If you can see Nearly New's building behind the snow, that's Nearly New.
There's no sale today for Nearly New.
No Nearly New sale. They are, however, accepting donations of shovels. Donations of shovels are appreciated.